I'm going to do a quick video on how to change your wallpaper or your background here on your iPhone. It's really simple to do. What you want to do is find your settings button right here. Push settings. Then what you want to go down until you find wallpaper. See right there, wallpaper. You click on the wallpaper. Once you go to wallpaper, you can go right here. You say choose new wallpaper. And just click on the choose new wallpaper. And then you can go to your photo settings or whatever. I'm going to just click all photos, or you can use these backgrounds up here. So I'm going to click all photos. Zoom in. I'm going to click all photos. And you can change whatever you want. We're going to put this food right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can take your hand and adjust it and move it around how you want. So we're going to center it right there. And then come right here and hit set. So we're going to set both. And that's it. So when I go back to my home screen, this is what you'll see. Alright, and to set it back, if you don't like that home screen, just do everything again. Just go to your settings, and it's already right there, so you can choose and see what wallpaper I want. I'm going to just get this wallpaper right here. Click on it, click that, and I'm going to hit set. So I'm going to set it on both. And that's it. So if I go, this is what my page look like now. Alright, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.